Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm excited to show you how to watch CBS Sports live online, step by step. Whether you're into the NFL, NCAA March Madness, or college football, CBS Sports has you covered. First up, head over to the CBS Sports website. Once you're there, click on Watch or Live TV in the top menu. You can choose CBS Sports HQ for a free 24/7 stream or log in with your TV provider for premium content. Pro tip: you can also catch CBS Sports on Paramount or YouTube TV or Hulu Live for full access. Next, let's download the CBS Sports app. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for CBS Sports. Tap Download and then open the app once it's installed. Sign in with your CBS account or your TV provider for instant access to live games and breaking news. Don't forget to turn on push notifications for real-time updates on your favorite teams. Now, let's customize your experience in the CBS Sports app. You can select your favorite teams and leagues, view live stats, and watch highlights. Bonus: CBS Sports HQ is free and streams 24/7 with live updates and recaps. No subscription needed. You can watch CBS Sports live on any device. On your desktop, just go to cbsports.com live. On mobile, open the CBS Sports app, and on your smart TV, install CBS Sports or Paramount Plus from the App Store. Now you can enjoy your favorite games in real time, wherever you are. For full access to all CBS Sports broadcasts, including the Super Bowl and UEFA Champions League, consider subscribing to Paramount Plus. It's CBS's official streaming service with live sports, movies, and exclusive shows, all ad-free. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your fellow sports fans.